Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate bombs without a silicone mold. First, melt your favorite chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Next, prepare your alternative molds, such as plastic ornaments cut in half or a greased muffin tin. Carefully spread a thin, even layer of melted chocolate into your chosen molds. Place them in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the chocolate to fully set and harden. Once your chocolate shells are firm, carefully pop them out of their molds. Be gentle to avoid cracking them. Now, it's time for the fun part, filling. Take 1/2 of a chocolate shell and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot cocoa mix. Then, pile in some mini marshmallows, a dash of sprinkles, or any other delightful treats you wish to include. Get creative with your fillings. To seal your hot chocolate bombs, gently warm a plate or a flat pan. Take an empty chocolate half and lightly press its rim onto the warm surface for a few seconds to slightly melt the edge. Immediately place this melted edge onto a filled chocolate half, pressing gently to seal them together, forming a perfect sphere. You can then decorate your bombs with a chocolate drizzle or edible glitter for an extra special touch. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade hot chocolate bomb. Place one bomb into your favorite mug. Slowly pour about 8 to 10 ounces of hot milk over it. Watch as the chocolate shell melts away, releasing the cocoa mix and all those wonderful fillings into your warm drink. Stir gently until everything is combined and savor your delicious, cozy beverage. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.